Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kabra, your accounting instructor with a new video. In the previous video we have seen how to update the cash book and we found the updated balance and it was $1344 and it was credit balance because total of credit was more than the total of debit. So we got the credit balance $1344. It means in cash book bank column is showing credit balance. And that is basically what bank overdraft. When bank column in the cash book shows credit balance, so that credit balance represents bank overdraft. And bank overdraft is not in the favor of the business basically because it is a liability. So let's see how to use this bank overdraft while preparing the bank reconciliation statement. So let's start. So here I have already drawn the format of bank reconciliation statement as at 1st May 2010. So first I will write here balance as per cash book and it is credit balance. This time cash book bank column is showing credit balance. So here we need to take care of one thing that whenever bank column in the cash book shows credit balance, so that figure we need to show here as a negative figure because it represents a liability. It is a bank overdraft. It is not in the favor of the business. Now we will consider those transactions which were recorded in the cash book but not entered in the bank statement. So here we have those transactions. Point number 3. Item not recorded in the bank statement. So first item is check paid to Peter Smith. So we gave check to Peter Smith $344 and we entered in the cash book. So cash book balance decreased. But the person Peter Smith didn't present the check for the payment. So in bank statement balance is as it is. There is no change in the bank statement balance. Now our target is to reach the bank statement balance. Whereas in cash book we have decreased the balance. So from this point to this point I have to reach. So I have to go up. Up means I have to add this 344. 344. And I will write here check issued but not presented for the payment. Done. Now next point, receipt from cash sale. We sold goods on cash basis, we got the money and that money we put in the bank. $650 and we entered in the cash book. And because of that what happened? Cash book balance increased. The balance in cash book has increased. But there is no entry with regard to this 650 in the bank statement. So the balance in bank statement remain as it is. Now the target is to reach the bank statement balance. So I have to come down. So it means I need to reduce this figure in order to reach the balance as per bank statement. So I will write here minus 650. And I will write here cash sales not credited by the bank. I sold goods on cash basis, I put the money in the bank, but bank didn't give credit to me with regard to that $650. So I have to subtract that $650. Now let's see the fourth point. The bank had credited the account with $50. Credited the account means deposit. So in bank statement what happened? Balance increased. Balance increased. The bank had credited the account with $50, which should have been credited to the account of Ben Wilson. This is the another customer of the bank. The bank had to credit this $50 to Ben Wilson. But what bank had done? Instead of crediting the account of Ben Wilson, bank had credited this $50 to the account of Beth Wilson. So the balance in bank statement has increased. So this is basically bank error. Now here our target is to reach the bank statement balance. So I have to go according to the bank statement. No matter it is the mistake done by the bank. So for that, what I have to do, I have to add. So I will write here amount wrongly credited by the bank, $50. So we have considered all the point. So now let's see what will be the final amount. So I will make sum of all these figures, and I got the figure 1600, and it is negative. So this is the balance as per bank statement. Balance as per bank statement, and it is negative. Negative means bank statement is showing debit balance, because in bank statement debit means withdrawal, which is not in the favor of the business. So if we are getting negative figure, it means it is withdrawal balance in the bank statement, debit balance in the bank statement. So this is how we need to prepare bank reconciliation statement. So here again, let me explain you one point. If cash book is showing bank overdraft, if in the cash book bank column is showing overdraft balance, so that overdraft balance we have to show as a negative figure. So this is the solution to this question. I hope you understood the solution. See you soon with a new video.